Hello student. After simple and body center cubic arrangement, we are going to our next topic in face center means FCC arrangement. It is arrangement also applicable in CCP and HCP. This is because CCP and SCP close packing formed by FCC arrangement. In FCC arrangement, the 8 sphere present at the corner, those are indicated in the figure, and 6 are at the faces. The total number of sphere of FCC is 4, 3 at the faces and 1 at the corner. According to the diagram, there are form a triangle ABC, and between A and B have FCC sphere. Suppose the edge length of unit cell is A and the radius of sphere R. Consider a right angle triangle ABC. We calculate the AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. The edge of AB is A and BC is also A. Therefore, these are A square plus A square is equals to 2A square. Then AC is equals to root 2A. But actual evidence say that between the A and C sphere have radius 4R. It means the sphere of A and C are 4R. Then AC is equals to root 2A is equals to 4R. Then A is equals to 4R upon root 2. It is also say that 2 root 2 R. We know that volume of unit cell is A cube. Therefore, the volume of unit cell is 16 root 2 R cube. Number of sphere in FCC is 4. Volume of sphere we can be calculated by formula 4 by 3 pi R cube. The volume of total number of spheres is equals to 4 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi R cube is equals to 16 by 3 pi R cube. There are, we calculate the volume of total number of sphere and also volume of unit cell. These value put in the formula of packing efficiency. In the formula of packing efficiency, the volume of unit cell is 16 by 3 pi R cube and volume of the total number of sphere is 16 root 2 pi R cube multiplied by 100. After the calculation, we find out that it is about 74%. It means the volume occupied in FCC or CCP or SCP arrangement is 74%. It means it is much higher than simple and BCC. In BCC, there are 68% and in simple 52.4%. But in FCC, it is 74%. That is clear. It means when the compared between the simple body and FCC arrangement is more rigid than BCC and BCC more rigid than simple. After the discussion of the close packing, we are going to our next topic, radius ratio of cation and anion. These radius ratio also decide the stability of the ionic compound or ionic solid. What is radius ratio? The ratio of the radius of the cation to the radius of anion is called radius ratio. In a solid, cations are present at the AVC or AAVV arrangement, while anion present at the vacant space or voids. We calculate the radius ratio by a formula. Radius ratio is equals to radius of cation upon radius of anion. Radius of cation denoted by R positive and radius of anion is denoted by R negative. For cation occupying in tetrahedral voids, R positive upon R negative is equals to 0.225. It means R positive, it means radius of the cation is equals to 0.225 radius of anion. And in octahedral voids, R positive upon R negative is equals to 0.414. It means radius of cation is equals to 0.414 radius of anion. This is clear? And these are the table to represent the coordination number and structural arrangement of the radius ratio. First, when radius ratio between 0.155 to 0.225, it means its coordination number is 3 and form trigonal planar. Example of the crystal is B2O3. Second one is when between radius ratio between 0.225 to 0.414. Its coordination number is 4 and form tetrahedral shape. The common examples are ZNS, CuCl, CuBr, CuI, BAS, HGS. Third one is when the radius ratio between 0.414 to 0.732, the coordination number is 6 and form octahedral shape. There are some examples: NaCl, MgO, NaBr, CaSCaO is a common example of octahedral. Those have 6 coordination number and the radius ratio between the 0.414 to 0.732. And fourth one is 0.73221. They have 8 coordination number, form cubic shape, and there are example is CSCl, CSBr, TIBr, NH4Br. These are the common example of those compound have cubic arrangement, coordination number 8 and the radius ratio between 0.73221. That's clear? These are the radius ratio. Thank you.